I want to say I learned to drive on a Transtar just like this. So I thought it was really cool. Now this one has a 350 horsepower Cummins engine. It's a Fuller Road Ranger 10-speed transmission, Holland fifth wheel, Bendix air dryer, front axle's got 12,000 pounds, rear axle's 40,000 pounds, wheelbase 162 inches, twin 90-gallon saddle tanks, butt wheels, Rockwell rear ends, and man, this thing is very cool. It was driven by Vernon Erb, who's the first one to drive this truck, and of course it's well done here. It says it's thanks to Mark Edmund, Charlie Cramp, and Kirby International. I guess they helped put this together here. This thing is one sweet ride, and I gotta say, it's what's really sweet about it is just well, first of all, Herb hit 65 years this year, so that alone is a specialized reason to have this truck going here. But the cool thing about it, if you're an international, the old Transtar, it's the old Herb colors of red and black. They're out of New Hamburg, Ontario, and of course they've got places in Thunder Bay, Windsor, Ottawa, and Toronto. It's not that it's the fanciest, but back in the day, this was the cab over. Herb had a number of these that they started with. This one started with Vernon Herb, and so it's not anything super special. It's more the nostalgia of this one, which is what everybody's really enjoying out of it here.